What's up, guys? This is Keishan with Supreme Wraps. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about what we're going to be doing to this Lamborghini Huracan Evo. So we're going to be wrapping it satin black. Normally not a big deal, but this car being white, we have to spend a lot more time with it, make sure it looks good. We'll be kind of giving you all some details on the way we do this, the way we kind of tackle it a little differently. We do have to go a little bit more in depth on what we have to do here. We have to remove the bumpers. We're going to be going deeper by removing the mirrors, removing the side skirts, removing the doors, making sure that we get every bit of white covered, with it being a white car versus it being any other darker color that would be typically easy with satin black. So stay tuned and check out what we're doing to it.
Hey guys, so we're back with the final product on our Lamborghini Huracan Evo wrap here. Full satin black. We removed the tint off the windows, smoked the amber side markers, and the car looks phenomenal. We did the gloss black roof, as you can see, to give him a little more flair and a little accent to the rest of the car. I think it looks phenomenal, not just pure satin black, but really brings out some of the racing lines on the top, with the spoiler being gloss black as well, tying into the wheels. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. 3M makes a great product, high gloss black on the roof, 3M satin black on the base. Our team here at Supreme Wraps really killed this car. I think the wrap is amazing. Total transformation. I hope you guys enjoyed the process and some of the content that we made on this one. Stay tuned for the next video, and we'll see you guys soon.